If you are new to web development, spending too much time watching hours of YouTube videos and blogs and struggling to find clear, organized way to learn to build full stack web apps, or you are facing challenges in your current project because of difficulty finding the answers you need, which leads to confusion, incomplete projects, and decrease in confidence in your abilities. Or you may be the one who is intimidated by learning backend development from scratch. Listen up, that's because they did not find a way to build a full stack web app that is easy, fast, and secure without spending a lot of time scratching their heads. Because of that, they feel like they are motivated one day to build a full stack web app, and then the next day they are unsure if they are going down the right path. Instead, you need to follow what I call the full stack with Firebase process. Instead of learning in a shadow way, following this method, you are going to build 3 real-world full-stack web apps using Firebase from scratch with step-by-step instructions. The best part is it's going to be fun, faster, and easier as well as secure. The way I designed to build these full-stack apps is that by the time you complete all 3 apps, you will master learning the various Facebook products such as authentication, database, security, storage, cloud function, hosting, and so on. This is going to help you build your confidence and get better job opportunities. Do you know Firebase is backed by Google? It has a large community and many job opportunities. According to LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor, Firebase mentioned in the tech jobs from 5% to 15% in 1 year, and it will continue to grow even more in the upcoming years. If you look at the LinkedIn job board, the average salary for the full stack developer who knows Firebase ranges between 55 to 85K. You can also find the companies like Twitch, Lyft, Tinder, New York Times, Instacart, Alibaba, Square, Trivago, all using Firebase in their tech stack in some capacity. It's interesting to know that 64% of startup companies prefer a full stack developer with the knowledge of Firebase to build their first MVP product because it is cost effective for them by not having to hire a front-end and back-end developer separately, as they can hire one developer that does it all. I believe Firebase is the fastest way to build full stack web app in the history of web development. Kirk, who is a software engineer, was able to build his first full stack web app within the first 7 days of joining our course. On the other hand, Alfonso was able to find a junior developer job after completing our course and started making 35K per year. And we have helped 5,000 students, teaching them how to become a full stack developer faster. Whether you are a student, a web developer, or just curious to learn Firebase to build full stack web apps, no matter what skill set you have, this course is for you. You can build your first full stack web app within 7 days or spending 3 hours per day. This is going to be intimate, as I'll be taking only 20 students so that I can work with each and every student to ensure their success. The enrollment is open now, will be closed as soon as we have 20 students. So enroll in the full stack with Firebase course today, and I'll see you inside the course.